Welcome to today's lesson. As we continue with our learning, we kindly request you to subscribe to our channel and also to help us share the link. Let us go through this question together. During the 2002 general elections, the total number of registered voters in Kilifi constituency was 60,000. This was a decrease of 10% over the number in the year 1997. The number of voters increased by 2% in the year 2007, but it dropped by 8% in the year 2012. Required: determine the population of the voters Part A in the year 1997. We are told that the population in the year 2002 was 60,000, which represents a decrease of 10% over the number in the year 1997. So the 60% we are given represents 90%, since this population represents a decrease of 10%. That means from 100 we have 90%. So in the year 1997, the total population is going to be 100%. And if you cross multiply, we are going to have 100%. We multiply by 60,000. Everything divided by 90%. And this one gives us, we have 100 times 60,000. We divide by 90%. And this gives us 66,666.66 recurring, which gives us approximately 66,667 registered voters. Next, we have the year 2007, and we are told the number of voters increased by 2% in the year 2007. That means if we have an increase of 2%, the original was 100 and now we have 102%. So to get the population in the year 2007, we know 100% is what is representing 60,000, but the population in the year 2007 increased by 2%. That means from 100 now we have 102%, and that is what we are supposed to calculate here. So if you cross multiply, we are going to have 102%. We multiply by 60,000. Everything divided by 100%, and this one is going to give us, this one is going to be equal to, we have 102. We multiply by 60,000. We divide by 100, and this gives us 61,200. 61,200 registered voters in the year 2007. Then we are told in the year 2012, the population dropped by 8%. The normal population is supposed to be 100%. If we have a drop of 8%, it means it has moved from 100 to 92% in the year 2002. This 2012 is coming from the year 2007. And in 2007, we are told that the population was 100%, and 100% is what is represented by 61,200 from the previous working. And since the population has dropped by 8%, now we have 92%, and we want to find 92% is equivalent to how many registered voters. If you cross multiply, we are going to have 92% we multiply by 61,200, everything divided by 100, and when you work out this question, it is going to give us 56,304. We have 56,304 registered voters in the year 2012. Part D of the question: determine the percentage change in the population between the year 1997 and 2012. We need to know the population in the year 1997, and we know that in 1997 we had 66,000. In 1997 we had 66,667 registered voters, and in the year 2012 the number of registered voters are 56,304, and we are supposed to determine the percentage change. But before we get the percentage change, we need to calculate the change itself. To get the change, we take the population in the year 1997, which is 66,667. We subtract the population in the year 2012, which is 56,304, which gives us a change of, we have 66,667 minus the answer, which gives us 10,363. 10,363 is our change in population. But for us to get the percentage change, percentage change is given by the change, which is 10,363. We divide by the original number in the year 1997, which is 66,667, everything multiplied by 100%, and this one gives us 15.54%, and that is the answer to Roman D of that particular question. Thank you for watching and welcome to our channel.